Yo, Wally here. Now, I get a few questions about cameras, so I figured I'd make a couple of videos on some tips and tricks that may help you. Now, in this video, we're going to learn how to decide what prime lens to use or prime lens to get next if you currently use a zoom lens. So here I have my 28 to 75. Now, the idea here is while you're shooting with a lens like this, you're going to constantly keep changing the focal length to what you're used to, so you're constantly zooming in and out to the different focal lengths. Now, whenever those images are captured, the metadata for which includes the focal length that you shot that particular photo at is stored within the photo. Now with Lightroom, you're able to sort those out, and then wherever you find most of your images should be the next prime lens you should get, and I'll show you that now. So here's a shoot that I did with Jay at the beach. When you open your Lightroom, if you have this screen, you can just hit your G and then it changes to this mode. Now what you want to do is click on metadata, and once you click on metadata, you can change one of the labels to focal length, which is here. Now in this set I have 250 images, all shot at different focal lengths because I used the 28 to 75 Tamron. So here I have 9 images at 28 millimeters, 23 at 30, and if I keep scrolling down I see that okay, the number reduces, and at 75 millimeters I have 158. So out of 250 images, I shot well over half, over half at 75 millimeters. So if I were to get a prime lens next, I would be looking at something around the 75 millimeter mark. The next prime lens would be 85 millimeters. So if I want to buy a prime lens, I should be buying the 85 millimeter. There you go. I hope that helped. Thanks. Peace.